The radiator fan motor fuse is a crucial safety component that protects your engine from overheating. It's designed to blow and interrupt the circuit if the fan motor draws excessive current. What causes this? Most commonly, it's due to a failing fan motor straining to operate, electrical faults like short circuits from damaged wiring, or simply age and wear. Even upstream problems, such as a failing thermostat, can cause the fan to run constantly, leading to a blown fuse. How do you know if yours is blown? Look for these symptoms: the engine overheating warning light, the radiator fan not spinning, steam from the hood, a burning smell, or reduced AC performance. Replacing a blown radiator fan fuse is typically straightforward. First, gather your tools: a multimeter, fuse puller, and a replacement fuse with the correct amperage rating. Start by locating the fuse box, often under the hood or dashboard, using the vehicle's diagram. For safety, disconnect the battery. Use the multimeter to confirm the old fuse is blown by checking for continuity. Replace it with an identical fuse. Never use a higher rated one. Finally, test the system by starting the engine, monitoring the temperature gauge, and listening for the fan to engage. If the fuse blows again immediately, it indicates a more significant problem, such as a faulty fan motor or wiring issue, requiring professional diagnosis.